Good morning, students. Students, yesterday we had done common size statement of balance sheet. हमने सीखा था कि how to make common size statement balance sheet. Today we have to make the common size statement of PL, profit and loss. So in this chapter number 4, page 4.8, question number 4. Question 4, page 4.8. In this question, revenue from operation for March 2018 10 lakh and 2019 12 lakh. Cost of material consumed, similarly employee benefit expenses, other expenses are also given here, and we had to make common size statement of profit and loss. Students, see this. First of all, take the revenue from operation. This is 10 lakh and 12 lakh. First, revenue from operations, this is 10 lakh in 18 and 12 lakh in 19. Now come to second point, expenses. Expenses. In the expenses, values are given. Cost of material consumed 6 lakh, and in 19 it is 6 lakh 60,000. In 18 6 lakh, in 19 6 lakh 60,000. Cost of material consumed, this is 6 lakh and 6 lakh 60,000. Cost of material consumed. Now come to next expense. This is employee benefit expenses. Employee benefit expenses, this is 120, and again same in the 18 and same in 19, 1,20,000. Employee benefit expenses 1,20,000, 1,20,000. And next other expenses are 50,000 in 2018 and 96,000 in 2000 March 19. So other expenses, this is 50,000 and 96,000. Take the total of these expenses. This is total income 10 lakh 12 lakh, and total of expenses in 2018 it is 7 lakh 70,000, 7 lakh 70,000, and 2019 the total of expenses is 8 lakh 76,000, 8 lakh 76,000. Now subtract these all expenses from the income, then we'll get profit before tax. Profit before tax. This is third point, profit before tax. Subtract second from first, then we'll get the value. After subtracting this 770 from this 10 lakh, then you will get 2 lakh 30,000 profit before tax. And subtract this 876 from 12 lakhs, we'll get 3 lakh 24,000 profit before tax. Now how to make calculation, how to make percentage of each head. In this common size statement we have to take base as revenue from operation. हमें revenue from operation को base लेकर चलना है. So calculate the percentages of each head with the base revenue from operation. Divide this 10 lakh by upon base 10 lakh into 100, then you will get 100%. This is percentage in 2018, and 6 lakh by 10 lakh into 100. Each head upon revenue from operation into 100, then you will get the percentage of each head. 6 lakh by 10 into 100, then you will get 60%. 120 by 10 lakh into 100, then you will get 12%. 50,000 by 10 lakh into 100, then you will get 5%. In this way find the percentages of this side. 12 lakh by 12 lakh into 100. For 2019, the base is revenue from operation 12 lakh rupees, and for 2017-18, the base is revenue from operation 10 lakh. So take 10 lakh in each case in 18 and 12 lakh in each case as a base in 2019. So divide 12 by 12 lakh into 100, then you will get again 100%. Now 660 by 12 lakh will get 55%, and 120 by 12 lakh it is simply 10%. 96,000 by 12 lakh into 100, then we will get 8%. In this way, we find the percentages of expenses. Now come to total expenses. In total expenses, this is 770 and the base is 10 lakh. 770 total expenses upon base revenue from operation 10 lakh into 100, then we will get 77%. In this 876 upon 12 lakh, then we will get 73%. Now come to profit. This is 2,30,000 profit and the base is 10 lakh revenue from operation, will get 23%. This is 3,24,000 and 12 lakh base will get 27%. In this way, we find the percentage of each head, each expenses, and profit before tax, total expenses, each expenses by taking the base as revenue from operation into 100, then we will get the percentage of each head. In this way, you can make common size statement of PL in chapter number 4. This is the tool for the useful of management. So in this way, you can find this common size statement of PL. Okay, thanks friends. That's all for today.